Okay, so in the last tutorial we learned about how you can go from first activity to the second activity and from second activity to first activity. Now as you can see here, we do not have the action bar. So how you can do that? I will show you two methods for doing that. I will open the Android manifest. It's in the manifest folder and Android manifest.xml. Now if I run the code, this code here, you will see that our application is back to this action bar. Okay, we have to remove it. We have two methods. The first one, we can just change this theme. I would say No.ActionBar.Light, this one, AppCompat.Light.NoActionBar. If you run this, you have to select this light. It depends on your theme. If you want dark, you can remove this light. Okay, you can see that right now our action bar is gone. What about we can use the dark theme? Okay, you can see this one. I will run this app again and then show you. Okay, here you can see this is the dark mode, and the same app, you can see everything is changed and we do not have the action bar. There's a catch here. If I go to from first activity to other activity, you can see our whole application does not have the action bar. Okay, but what about you want only in one activity? So there is a way to do that. We'll go back to the AppTheme. I will close this file, and in here you can see now we have two activities. This is the main activity. Now in this main activity, what I can do is I can come down here and I can say get support action bar, and then you can just say .hide. This is the method we are going to use. Okay, now if I run this application, now let's see what happens. Okay, you can see now we do not have an action bar, but if I go to the second activity, you can see we have the action bar. Okay, so let me go back. You can see in this activity, you can see that it could be helpful using in only one screen. Like if you are using a splash screen, or you only want to use it in one activity, not other. So this is helpful, and you can also go to the manifest file, which is right here, and just change the theme. Okay, that's the video of today, and please subscribe to my channel and please consider liking it.